Welcome back to Racecar and Chill. It's been quite the eventful morning. I'm currently driving the non-turbo IS300. Buddy of mine, Andrew, who I'm going to his house right now, he is building a turbo IS300 and needs to see my non-turbo one to get some reference for some stuff in the engine bay. So I've been playing musical tires and wheels for the last like 30-40 minutes because I don't drive this car too often and it had a flat, so both of the spares in this one and in the turbo car were flat or the wrong size, so I've had to take a wheel off the turbo IS. Anyway, after Andrew's house, I'm going to my buddy's Austin's house. He's got a, I think it's a 76 Corolla. It's pretty badass. It's fully done up, like completely restored. The engine makes twice the amount of power as it used to. Badass build. I'm gonna make a vlog today about us just hanging out, doing some car shit, but the point of us hanging out with him is to make an actual, like, legit video of his car. So today I'm gonna make 2 videos. So I'll see you guys at Andrew's house next. I'm here at my buddy Andrew's house, and this is his beautiful engine. It's gonna be going into an IS300. Actually, he's got a YouTube channel. Say what up.
What up?
He's got a YouTube channel. I'll plug it in the description. But this is going in his... He's also got a 2001 fully built engine, BC internals with the Weisico pistons, right? Weisico?
J.E. Whitney.
J.E. Whitney pistons.
Borg Warner IS300 turbo.
Yeah. Why don't you say, give us the specs?
So I got the 264 BC cams. I got the H-beam rods, BC rods, with the J.E. Whitney pistons. Powerhouse Racing pulleys, all repowder coated, BC adjustable cam gear. Megan Racing motor mounts, super dampener ATI.
You said this is a CX kit?
CX
Manifold?
turbo kit manifold. I had it not powder coated but Cerakoted. And then I got valve springs, standard size valve springs, and valves in there, but they're also BC, so a little stronger hopefully. And yeah, I'm gonna try and run AC. A lot of this stuff I painted too, as well as taking to a powder coat shop. This was really fun doing this though, pulling this and taking all that apart without getting this. I had to stuff it with tissue.
Oh, nice.
And get it deep enough so
that... What a pain in the ass.
Oh, you know, it seems like it, but it was fun. I enjoyed it, and I was pretty stoked because this is my first build ever, and I've been able to get this far, so...
The oil relocation kit?
Yeah, Powerhouse Racing oil relocation. Also had that painted. It's got to be blacked out or yellow.
So, Andrew's doing this right. We just set the timing, and he's keeping the car automatic, though. And
Which could be scary.
Yeah, he's keeping the stock trans too, for now. But he's making about the same power I'm making, or he's gonna be making about the same power I'm making. Infinity 6, right? Or the AM Infinity. And yeah, so there'll be more videos of this car when he goes to put it together. But he's got a channel too. He's just started it. Doesn't really spend much time on it, but it's content.
Yep.
So 2JZ stuff. Check it out.
Boom.
So I'm at my buddy Austin's house, and this is Austin. What's up? I'll plug his Instagram in the description. But check out this badass car. So it's a 76? Yep. 76 Celica. Why don't you pull it out?
Yeah, for sure.
And we're gonna go to a lake down the street to do like a better video of his car. So it'll be like, you'll see the video also in the description, or I'll probably link to it at the end of this video. Oh no. Do we need to jump it? We're gonna jump it real quick first. Car is sick.
For my next trip.
Oh wait, did you just take the key out?
It's an old Toyota thing. It actually is a known problem.
Is it? Dude, I had an old piece of shit Chrysler that did the same thing. take the key out while I was running.
Yep.
So, Austin's fucking rebuilt this whole car basically from the frame up. You're gonna have to go to the description and watch the other video to hear all about the build details about this thing, because it gets pretty in-depth. But that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you watch the next video on Austin's